Are you dreaming of building incredible projects but feel overwhelmed by complicated plans and expensive materials? Wish you could access thousands of blueprints without breaking the bank? Stick around, because I found the ultimate solution. We've all been there. You find a project you love, but the plans are confusing, missing key details, or cost a fortune. It's enough to make anyone want to give up before they even start. And let's not even talk about the cost of buying individual plans. It adds up fast. But what if you could unlock access to over 16,000 professional woodworking plans for a single, incredibly affordable price? That's exactly what Ted's Woodworking offers. This isn't just a handful of projects. It's a massive, comprehensive library designed for woodworkers of all skill levels. What makes Ted's Woodworking so powerful? Each plan comes with crystal clear, step-by-step instructions. You get exact material lists and cutting guides, meaning you'll buy exactly what you need, saving you money and reducing waste. Whether you're building your first birdhouse or a custom workbench, these plans make it achievable, precise, and enjoyable. It's the smart way to build. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start building with confidence, access to this entire library is just a click away. For a limited time, you can get full lifetime access to all 16,000 plus plans. Don't miss out on this incredible value. Click the link in the description right now to get Ted's Woodworking. Transform your woodworking hobby today. Click that link, grab Ted's Woodworking, and let's build something amazing together. Happy building!